Well, my name is Tom Stebbins, and I'm the county agent for Hamilton County, University of Tennessee. And I'm going to demonstrate a little bit on how to take a soil sample, especially this time of year is spring. And so a lot of people are looking at their turf grass. And the way to do it is to take your soil right at the point where the roots are. So you take a shovel and you go down, probably not just one sample, take about 10 samples in your whole yard. And take a little divot out of there, maybe just a little chunk of it like that, and put it in a nice clean bucket. Don't use the one that you use for mopping your floors, but just get a real nice clean bucket. Put about a sample every like I said, 10 places around the yard. And then once you got that bucket, mix it up with your hands and get it all nice and so you've got a really representative sample of the whole area. And then put it into this box. It looks like an ice cream box, but you can get it from UT Extension in our office. Also, when you're here at the office, you can get a form that you use to put it on, fill out the form, put your name and address and what you intend to sample for, and then send it in to Nashville on the address on the label here. And in about 2 weeks, you get the form back with the directions. And if you need any more information, you can contact our office. Thank you very much.